Smart FM presents Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener, and welcome back with me, Rifa Majid, on Smart Up Your Life. This is our English learning program, in collaboration with the BPEC Makassar. And tonight, as usual, we are inviting you to join with us tonight with my several friends, of course, from BPEC Makassar. Hi, guys.
Hi,
Hello.
Kak.
Hi.
You are so excited tonight, and me too. So glad to see you again tonight, and welcome back to our studio.
Yeah, our home, second home.
Oh yeah, Yes, absolutely. Welcome back, Mr. Guest.
Yes,
How was your
thank you.
day?
I feel great.
Okay, and
Yeah,
what about
as
you,
I usually-
Amal?
I'm not 100%
I just see you
great.
today,
Yeah.
and
I
we've
haven't
been
seen you in ages.
How many time? How long have we been?
Yeah, I think-
apart. Ooh, apart.
I think about 4 months.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
really?
I haven't go here for about that
Okay.
that time.
Didn't you miss us?
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely.
And of
Very.
course, I always forget your name. Actually,
Oh my god.
Okay, you can
our youngest boy.
And
you can call me Achang, Kak.
Oh yes,
Achang.
Achang. I'm sorry, Achang.
It's
Welcome
no
back.
problem. Welcome,
And
Kak.
so, what's something very how I want to ask you, how was your day?
I think pretty good.
Oh, pretty
It's
good.
good, Kak.
It's good. And I think I hope that's good also for you to have great news for today.
yep.
And tonight also we are going to talk about some cases and some and one topic that I think this is necessary to talk. And yeah, this our topic is related to our life every day about the media and also the news that we read and we see every day, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, talking about the news, even if the news that you got from the conventional media and digital media, I want to ask you, what is the latest news that you read for today?
Okay, who first?
Who first?
Kak Diaz.
Mr. Diaz.
Host, back to host.
After you want to answer, I
Achang.
guess this time is yours. The microphone is
The
yours.
youngest. Achang.
Achang.
Okay, so actually I have a news. I have several. For example, is Palestine, and also, but I feel I try to explain about this earthquake in Palu, right?
Oh,
and
yes.
actually it is it's no it is don't giving a big impact, but the important thing in here, it is happen in the town, right?
In the city.
Yes, in the city. I
Yeah.
think it is very giving
Where did you get the information and also the news?
from Instagram.
Oh, from Instagram. Okay.
Yes, media social.
Okay. Well, Mr. Diaz.
Yeah. Actually, I got information. I mean, latestly, information is Matuangeng, Stadion Matuangeng, took victims.
Okay.
There is some child there. They're how to say
The teenager,
yeah,
right?
teenager children. Yeah. They are victims of Stadion Matuangeng because Stadion Matuangeng is still how to say maintenance, and actually
Maintenance, yes.
actually I got this information from local TV.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't need to mention what the
From
local
the local
TV.
TV.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
mean the conventional media, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
conventional.
Okay. Achang got the information from
Media social.
social
Yeah,
media.
social media.
It's mean the digital platform.
Digital.
And
Exactly.
what about you, Achang?
Yeah, Ahmad.
What's the latest news?
Ahmad
Or
Kak.
maybe something unique from you?
The latest news that I got from the internet as well, I got from Instagram. It's about the lunar eclipse that will take place tomorrow.
Wow.
Apa in
So
Indonesia
we
we
have to get
call,
ready, right?
yeah, in bahasa we call gerhana bulan.
Mhm.
Yeah, and we can see the lunar eclipse in almost every place in Indonesia, almost every province in
Okay,
Indonesia.
so can you give an explanation about it, the detailed information maybe from the news that you got before?
Yeah, actually, I'm not. I do not know the detail, but this is kind of a phenomena that will take. That is a rare phenomena. So every people, I think, we must see this rare phenomena.
Okay, and probably that's happened on the night, in the night, right? Because the gerhana bulan, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about the time actually.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, you can see and also maybe search for the details, smart listener, about this information. And because our friends from BBC Makassar
Yeah.
have taught you about the information that
Yeah.
they got for today and share from you and share to you, I mean. And before that, also, we want to invite you to join with us. You can tell us what's the latest news that you read before and for today. And where did you get the information? Maybe in the conventional media,
And
or
digital.
maybe in digital platform. You can share through our WhatsApp 0811461011, and also you can write down your comment on our comment section on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar, because we will be right back after the break.